Today we're going to get in here and check the valve clearances on the FE350. It's got about 12 hours on it now. I'm not anticipating anything being out of spec, but I want to get in there and at least make sure that we're all good to be putting more hours on it, since it is technically supposed to be checked at the 1 hour mark. So let's get into it. Husqvarna includes little caps here for your fuel lines when you're taking the tank off. It's super important that you put these on so dirt doesn't get inside the fuel lines. Important to make sure you get the area clean prior to taking it apart. I should have washed it first, but I forgot. So I'm just taking some time to wipe up any dirt that is here. That takes a little bit of effort to get that valve cover out of there, that's for sure. So the first one we're going to try is the 0.10 millimeter feeler gauge in between the intake valves, as that is the this is the smallest one. This one over here on this side is a little tricky to get to. You kind of gotta bend the thing around in here a little bit and finesse it on in there. There we go. And it feels fine. Now I'll get this other side. Feels pretty good. Just a little bit of friction. Now we'll do the exhaust side. Okay, so now we have rotated the motor until the intake valves are open. So we'll check the exhaust valves now. 0.13 is what we're using. Fits good in there with just a little bit of friction. Now we'll check the other side. Again using 0.13. Just a little bit of friction. That's good. Okay. was a valve clearance check on a 2018 FE350. As you guys saw, all of the clearances were in spec and what they should be, which is great. It means this bike is ready for a lot more fun and a lot more action. I'll probably check the valves again in another 15 to 20 hours, see where they're at then. And if I need to do shims or anything like that, I'll be sure to make a video documenting that process as well. So hopefully you guys found this video informative. I have to say, getting to these valves is extremely easy. They make it very easy on this bike. Now that I've done it once, I can probably do it again now within an hour. And I love how accessible everything is on this bike. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more videos.